Happy morning, dear children. Hope your math syllabus got completed by now. Now you are approaching your preparatory exams in your respective schools. Those preparatory exams will be conducted on the lines of your board examination. So in this video, let us discuss about how to save your 3 hours duration time, as well as how neatly you can present your content in your board examination. That is your ultimate. So for that, the trials begins from your preparatory exams. Clear? Yeah. So you all will have to reach your examination center well before time with all the requirements. What are the requirements? First thing is your ID card, your hall ticket. You should be in your school uniform, and you are allowed to take one transparent pouch, and water bottle also, transparent water bottle. Clear? In that pouch you can have your scale, eraser, and at any cost you are not allowed to use whitener, so don't take any whitener. Clear? And as per the instructions, you have to take your pens. You are allowed to use either blue or black pens. Clear? You will take them. You will reach the examination center well in time. As you know that first part of your this one is you have to fill the OMR sheet. How to fill the OMR sheet easily and correctly, we will discuss in the next video. For today's video, let us confine only to how to save your time and how neatly you can present so that you can score maximum marks. Clear? So what you will do after filling the OMR sheet, you will be given question paper. You will start reading the question paper. So the moment you read any question, 3 questions must be risen in your mind. One is what is given, the other one is what to be proved or what to be shown. The third question is in order to prove that what I require. So all these questions, answers for these questions are within the question itself. So if you read it, that means you should have developed the reading habit, and the moment you have the answers for these 3 questions, that indicates that you have understood the question whatever is given. Clear? Let us come to third question. What I require to prove that? This you have to recall what you have learned regarding that particular question, that particular concept in your 10th standard as well as in your previous classes. That link will give you the hint what you require to prove whatever the question is asked in. Clear? So you will come to that. You will come to know that what is given, what to be proved in order to prove that what I require. There, right. So you start reading all the questions. So what you can do, you are not supposed to write anything on the question paper. You can make some hints which question I will answer first. There is no hard and fast rule that you have to start answering only from first question. No hard and fast. You are given freedom to start from any question. So there is a saying that first impression is the best impression. So whatever question you feel confident enough, yeah, this question I can answer 100% correct. Start answering from that question. Why? Because first impression is the best impression. Later on, the difficult questions, whatever you feel somewhat doubt, you can answer them at the end. Now, let us coming to the question number 1 to 20. These questions are in mathematics. These questions are multiple choice questions. Each question carries 1 mark. You are given 4 multiple choice. Here you are expected to answer only either A, B, C, D. That's all. And the process, nobody wants that. What you people are doing, you are knowingly or unknowingly you are trying to solve those questions. If it is true, they give the 1 mark. After doing all this process correctly, if you write the wrong answer, so though the process is right, you will not get any mark if your answer is final answer is wrong. So for that, what you have to do, you have to develop mental maths. Let me take some example. For example, you have got a problem 35 divided by 50. Simple problem I have taken. None of you know that 50 table. You need not be panic. But in your lower classes, you have learned how to divide easily without paper pencil by 10, 100, 1000. What is your denominator here? 50. So how do you get 100 from 50? This also you learnt in your lower classes. If you multiply both the numerator and denominator, the value does not change. So 52s are 100. That means if you multiply denominator by 2, you will get 100. So value must not get changed. Multiply the numerator also with 2. I gave you the fraction 35 by 50. So 35 into 2, 70 divided by 50 into 200. Now you have converted 30 by 50 into 70 by 100. Now you can divide that. 70 by 100 how much? 0.70. This is how you can develop mental maths so that you can save your time. This time whatever you saved, you can use them in the essay type questions like 2 marks, 3 marks, 5 marks, etc. Clear? Coming to question number 19 and 20, those are assertion and reasoning type questions. So what you have to do, first assertion statement is given, followed by reasoning statement is given. You have to read the statement both. You are given 4 options. First option is reason follows assertion. First option is both are true but reason follows assertion. Second option is both are true but reason does not follow assertion. Third option, that is true, this is false. Next option, that one is false, this one is true. So what you have to do, the moment you come to know assertion, first statement is false, blindly you need not read the next reason statement and other options also. What will be the false? Okay, let us come to the other way. First statement assertion is true, they gave you true statement. By chance the reasoning statement, second statement is false, then also you need not read all the other options. What will be the answer? Well, reasoning will be false. The fourth option is there, no? So that is your expected answer. So in these 2 questions, if you follow these hints, what will happen? You have saved a lot of time. Again, this time whatever you saved, this you can utilize them in your essay type questions. So this is how you can save your time maximum in these 1 to 20 questions, so that this saved time can be used in the next questions. Alright, so the moment you answer them, again as we discussed earlier, there is no hard and fast rule that you have to start answering from question number 1. You can start answering from any question. Start answering from the question which you are very confident enough and which you can get highest mark. From there you start answering. And we also discussed at the beginning of this video how neatly we can present. Many of your handwriting may be good enough, very attractive, and some of your handwriting may not be. Need not bother. You must have practiced. Still need not bother. How you can enhance your neatness? What you people can do? You have taken your scale, pencil with your pouch. After each and every problem, you can draw an horizontal line. That line will separate the above answer and the below answer, so that some space you have created, that created space will enhance the neatness of your handwriting. So it may help you to score maximum marks. And many of you, what you are doing, you are scribbling your rough work, whatever you feel, in the same page. what you can do, either you can mark in the right side of the page, each page, on the top of that you can write rough work. You scribble the rough work and later just give a slanting line, that is enough. That means that is your rough work. Or else you can also do at the last page, you can just write the rough work and write whatever rough you want to do and scratch it off. So what will happen? That would be better than this. What will happen? Sometimes you are scribbling more than required, and that gives the shabbiness. That shabbiness will give the impact on your actual answering. That may make you to get less marks. So I think these tips will help to all of you. Hope you all will follow. Let all of you get advantage from this. Thank you.